Hi Doc! Ang daming-daming ingredients ng mga skincare. Kaya gusto kong malaman kung ano yung tamang skincare sa mga skin concerns na sasabihin ko. Enlarged pores.
If I had to choose one, ang favorite ko niacinamide for enlarged pores. No? Kasi your niacinamide also controls oil production. So pag wala masyadong oil na pinoproduce, yung face, yung pores, hindi rin siya ganun kalaki.
Fine lines, Doc.
For me, walang tatalo sa retinol or retinoids in general. It's the queen of skincare. It's also one of the most potent ingredients. So if you want anti-aging, fine lines, and wrinkles, go for retinol.
Skin brightening, Doc.
Daming brightening ingredients, but for me, pinakamaganda si vitamin C serum. No? It's the powerhouse morning ingredient. It's very effective for brightening the skin. And pag kinumbine mo siya with sunscreen, it also has some sun protecting effects, thus hindi masyadong nangingitim yung.
How about Doc sa rough and dull skin na gustong mag-smoothen?
Yung glow getter tayo, si glycolic acid. No? So, si glycolic acid, it removes the dead skin cells sa tuktok ng skin, no? Almost immediately. You can get glowing and smoother skin.
For acne, Doc.
For acne, aside from retinoids, no, I would go for salicylic acid, no? Dapat sa toner mo or sa cleanser mo may salicylic acid because it goes down deep into your pores and nililinis niya, no? Aside from salicylic acid, potassium acyl diglycinate kasi it kills acne-causing bacteria. It also targets yung dark marks na iniiwan ng acne. So, dual action.
Doc, ang dami namang products niyan. What if isa lang ang pipiliin ko for overall skincare?
The cheapest, no, and the best anti-aging and overall protective product, your sunscreen. No? So, marami pa rin akong patients, hindi pa rin nagsa-sunscreen everyday. If matuto kang mag-sunscreen everyday, halos lahat ng concerns na naiisip mo, dark spots, wrinkles, fine lines, mapaprevent yan. No? So, huwag mo na gamitin yung lahat kung sinabi kong hindi ka rin magsa-sunscreen. Unahin mo na yung sunscreen.